Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Roger from Australia, and thanks for Tina and Penny for all the tours and just take time for us to go around the factories, and they are very good experience, and they go through with us for all the machines like panel saw, CNC machine, and also the edge bender machine, and we also learn a lot from them, and hopefully we can make a deal in the near futures, and we hope that they can selling the machine to all over the world, because the quality is really nice, and appreciate it for the time, and yeah, 谢谢大家。